Hi everyone, I'm Merion from LoveCrafts. Today I'm going to show you how to work a UK double treble stitch, which is a US treble stitch. It's 3 chains high, so it's a nice tall stitch. It's perfect for if you're going to work some cables or if you want some lace, where you want a little bit of room between your stitches, or sometimes we use it if we want to create some height, say in the middle of a petal or in the side of a heart. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm using lovely paint box yarns, Wool Mix Chunky, and I have a 5mm hook. That's because my tension's a little bit loose, so I'm going down a hook size, but this would normally be a 6mm hook. But let's get started. So let's have a look at the swatch. So here I've got some lovely UK double treble, that's a US treble stitch, which is 3 chains high, running along here. It's a really nice tall stitch, and in between, so that you can see it, I've just put a row of UK double crochet, US single crochet, just to sort of show off the height of the double treble. So it's 3 chains high, so I'm going to start here, pop my hook into the loop, and I'm going to work 3 chains. So this is going to take us up to the height we need for the stitch. So just hold on to the bottom of the swatch just to steady yourself. Bring the yarn through the loop. That's 1, 2, 3. So there we are. That's 3 chains at the start of the row. So for our first double treble, US treble, I'm going to take the yarn around the hook twice. So that's 1, 2, and I'm going to work into this next stitch here. So I'm going to put my hook in and then pull the yarn through to pull up a loop. So we now have 4 loops on the hook. Okay, so we're going to pull through these loops 2 at a time. So I'm going to bring the yarn around the hook and then just pull it through the first 2 loops. Then I'm going to do that again, yarn around and pull through the next 2 loops. And then we've got 2 left, so I'm going to yarn around and pull through those last 2. So that is our first double treble US treble stitch. You can see it's 3 chains high. So I'm going to work into the next stitch now. So yarn around the hook twice, then I'm going to go into that stitch, reach through and pull up a loop. So we now have 4 loops on the hook. And sometimes when you're pulling through lots of loops like this, it helps just to hold the bottom of the stitch here. So I'm going to just yarn over, hold the bottom and just pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there we go, there's the second one, our second double treble. That's a US treble stitch. So let's do another one. Yarn around the hook twice. Then we're going to go into this stitch here. So I'm going to put my hook in and pull up a loop. So we now have 4 loops on the hook. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first 2. So we've got 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2. So there we have 3 loops high, 3 chains high, a US treble stitch, UK double crochet. So there you are. You've learnt to double treble. That's a US treble stitch. Now, if you're just learning to crochet and you're learning the basics, have a look at our basics video where you can learn all of the first sort of crochet stitches that you need to start a new project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for loads of fantastic knitting and crochet videos. See ya!